How to download Capitec Bank mobile banking app. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get Capitec Bank mobile application in your device. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Capitec Bank. Once it is so, you will see Capitec Bank on your first search result. Now this is the application that you should download. Once you see this, tap on Install. Once the installation is completed, tap on Open. Then you will see Hello Capitec page. If you already have an account, then tap on Sign In. If not, you have to create yourself a Capitec account. To do that, tap on Open an account. Just like so, follow the on-screen prompt to get started. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.